Good morning, second graders. Today is Thursday, May 7th, 2020. Your schedule for today is Daily Language Review, week 35. For us kids, you're going to read a book, listen, and take a quiz. Finish your puppy or cat writing from the other day. Lunch and recess break, Math 180, day 154. And then your journal activity, how can you measure with and without a ruler? You're going to correct those sentences, find the words with 2 syllables. Where does the apostrophe go in these words? Those are contraction words. And name one more thing in the category. Think about how these are all related to each other. Please go on, read a book, listen to the book, and then take the quiz. I have been checking, so make sure you do all 3 or it doesn't count. For your rating, you should be writing 4 to 6 sentences. You guys are going to be 3rd graders in less than a week. You need to be writing 4 to 6 sentences, not just 1 or 2. Math 180, day 154, circle groups of 2. Do your addition, subtraction, addition problems. What is above the bed? Color the sign with larger area. Mark 25 tally marks. And how many hands are on 23 people? Keep calm, carry on. We're almost there for our last structured day of the school year. Missing you guys terribly. Hopefully I get to see you when you come through to pick up your supplies. Stay safe, stay healthy, and enjoy the beautiful weather.